Okay, now we are able to increment the product quantity by 1, and we also want this minus button to be functioning. That is, when I click on the minus button, it should decrement the product quantity, right? So the same way, when I click on this remove button, so this button should be removing this particular product, okay, I mean the cart item. All right, so that's what we are going to do in this video. First of all, let's go with this minus decrementing the product. So let's go to the code editor here. So let's go to the views, cart views here. Okay, so we'll create a new function. Okay, once this add cart is done, let's make this here. Define remove cart. Okay, and of course we need to pass the request, as well as we need to pass the product ID, right? So now, so the first thing we want to do is we want to get the cart, right? Cart is equal to cart dot objects dot get the cart by cart ID. Cart ID is equal to underscore cart ID and the request. Okay, so now we have the cart, and also we need product. Product is equal to get object or 404. Okay, so this function will handle if the object is present, then it will give the object, otherwise it will return 404. Okay, so get object or 404 and the product model comma id equal to product id. Okay, since we used this get object or 404, we need to bring it from this Django.shortcuts, that is here. Just copy and paste that, and that's done. Then next, the cart item is equal to cart item model dot objects dot get product equal to product comma cart equal to cart. Okay, so this will bring us the cart item. And now the condition start if cart item dot quantity is greater than 1, then we should be able to decrement the quantity by 1. Otherwise we should be able, I mean we should be deleting this item, right? So let's say cart item dot quantity minus and equals 1. That means a cart item dot quantity is equal to cart item dot quantity minus 1. Okay, that will decrement the quantity. Then we should save this cart item, right? Cart item dot save. Now else cart item dot delete. So just delete the cart item, that's all. Then once deleted, return redirected to cart page. Okay, cart. So this should decrement the product quantity by 1. So we should implement this to this minus button, right? So let's go to this cart.html, and okay, so before we go to the cart.html, we should do the path, right? So just copy this and paste it here. So instead of this add cart, let's say remove cart and int product id, and view will be remove cart and the name will be remove cart. Okay, so now go to the cart.html. so let's find out where is the minus button. Here it is. So this is now the button, but we don't want button here, so because we want to put the href, right? That's why. we will remove this button and say a tag, and href is equal to now the copy this same thing, same here, and paste it here. Instead of the add cart, let's say remove cart. Okay, that's all. And this will be same cart item dot product id, and this should be fixed. Instead of the button, close a tag. Okay, so then save it. Now if I reload and click on minus, it should decrement by 1, that is 7. Okay, now you can see the 7, it is working fine, and this one also working fine. So as the number of quantity decreases, the amount also getting decreased, right? So that's how it works. And one more thing is, when I click on this remove button, it should remove the whole cart item, right? This particular cart item, right? Let's go to the view function here. So what we will do is, we will the same way define one more function, that is remove cart item request comma product id. So what we will do is, we will say cart is equal to cart dot objects dot get cart id equal to underscore cart id, and with the request, and product equal to get object of 404 product comma id equal to product id. Okay, so now let's get the cart item, cart underscore item, that is equal to cart item model dot objects dot get, then the product equal to product comma cart equal to cart. Okay, so this product equal to product and the cart equal to cart. All right, so now what should happen is, when I click on the button, remove button, it should delete it, right? No decrement, no increment, just remove this, remove everything, right? So for that, just say cart item dot delete and return redirect to cart again. So only this code, okay, this will just delete everything. All right, so now we need to make the URL pattern for this. Let's go to the urls.py file and copy the path and paste it here. Now this time what the name will be remove cart item. Okay, remove cart item. Let me check once. Okay, remove cart item. So let's give the name of this only, views dot remove cart item, and name will be same. Okay, so the next thing is configure that to the remove button here. So it is already a tag, so just copy this and paste it here. So instead of this add cart, let's say remove cart item and paste it here, and the the product id we need. That's it. Let's refresh and let's try removing this US Polo jacket. Remove, and it is worked, right? And remove again. All right, so now there is nothing inside the cart, but when there is nothing inside the cart, we should not be able to see this table, right? We should be able to see some message. Maybe your shopping cart is empty, and put a button called continue shopping or something like that, right? So let's do that in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.